Hello, good to have you here again on my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? So join me on this ride as I take you on a trip to Osun State. We actually spent our Easter in Osun State, and this trip was sponsored by Nigeria tourism lovers. So I've been looking forward to this journey for weeks, and when the D-Day finally came, got dressed. This is me in all my glory, in all my beauty, wearing Exude by Telemo. Of course, what would I be wearing if not my brand? And this is baby girl looking all pink and set for the journey. Let's go.
Hi everyone, my name is Telemo. We are getting set for Easter in Osun at AYIKUNUGBA waterfall. That is actually the center of attraction, and trust me, I cannot wait to have all the fun, and I know everyone here is also ready for the fun that awaits them. So we will be taking you along every step of the way. Just stay tuned, do not go anywhere.
I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Stop me. Stop
So it was actually time for us to get registered and get our tags so we can get going. I met a lot of amazing people that day. You see this one, Toke and AY. Oh Jesus, Allah Jota la omejeji. They can dance on the water. This is AY. Can you see the leg walk? Can you see? Hey, oh yeah, get there. Hype man is some. If AY hype you, you feel come on your last kobo, put on for your hand. But he's a good hype man anyway. Let's go. Then we set out for this journey, and it looks like okay. We're going to get there in the next how many hours. But guess what? This journey kept going on, and it was as if we're going to the end of the earth. Like the journey was never going to end. Some delays that were unavoidable on the road. We had to stop to fix one or two things. One of the buses got faulty, so we had to all come down to wait for them to fix the bus. Why do I keep saying car? The bus. And I think this took like maybe 20-30 minutes. Guess what? People turned this to party. Like they were really partying big time. They were dancing. I'm not sure if I really captured that moment because I was exhausted. I had to go sit in our vehicle, but it was good. Thank God that there was no mishap. There was no case of insecurity. You know what I mean? Let me not open my mouth to see everything, but it was all good. And then the road was pretty good. The road up to Okela was good. Most of the roads in Okela was good. It was just at some point when we got to that Okela junction that we started encountering terrible roads. Oh my God, at some point I was thinking, shey this bus will not turn upside down, shey will not somersault and throw away all of us. But we got there in one piece. It was a safe journey, and we got there at night. Jesus, we're supposed to see the Kabiyesi on that day, which was on Sunday when we got to the town, but it was late already and there was no way we would have been able to see the Kabiyesi. But it was all good. So like I said earlier, this trip was put together by Nigeria tourism lovers. It's actually an annual thing. The first edition was started last year. So this year's was the second edition. It was actually my first time joining them, and trust me, I had a great time. And of course, the aim is to promote destination annually. So the idea actually is to bring together youth that are doing wonders in the tourism space so that they can all put hands together, to promote a particular destination per time. and travel enthusiasts like travel writers, travel bloggers and vloggers, tour operators, tour guides, hoteliers, and so on. The motivation behind this decision is that the Nigerian tourism lovers believe that the tourism potential of Nigeria is enough to sustain the Nigeria economy. Hence, the need to promote a destination annually to make this sector of the economy grow. And I hope that the Nigerian government will see all of this effort put together by the Nigeria tourism lovers, and they'll take it up. They have a lot of beautiful places in Nigeria, like the AYIKUNUGBA waterfall that we visited. Oh my god, like I keep saying, this is not going to, the feeling is not going to go away in a while. Maybe till next year. I'll use our whole body till next year when we go for another tour again. All right, let me take you back to the fun time we had.
Okay, who is going to lead us in this prayer, please?
Yo guys, travel tip 101. Never ever
wear a jumpsuit.
Yes, when you are traveling, I beg you in the name of God. Like these ladies had to, these ladies had to help me, cover me. Like no two me see ho that's it. So you wear jumpsuit to look all classy, babes.
Will you wear jumpsuit?
Well, my darling, it is what it is. Okay, we're now in Osun State, and this is the Ipinle Omoluabi.
I thought we're really close. I didn't know. The journey has just begun. Anyway, we stopped and we had to do some shenanigans, danced, took pictures, made videos. I just wish I could allow these songs play, the songs we were dancing to, but YouTube copyright will not allow somebody shine. Anyway, just be enjoying the dance steps and be going like that. We meet another 7-year-old photographer who came on the trip with her dad, who is one of the official photographers for the tour. And this girl was such an amazing sweet
So it's
girl.
time for us to go and eat, and apparently we have to split a particular group somewhere else. This is for another group. This is Hampton. Then we are going elsewhere. My eyes are heavy. Oh my god. Alright people, I told you we're going to carry you along in everything we're doing. So it's time for us to eat now. I had to trash that. And I need to take this off because I'm ready for serious business. Let's see what the amala tastes like. Yeah, I'll give my honest review. I would have preferred using spoon, because of my nails, but they say use spoon for amala. It will not be nice. Okay. So when you travel, it's nice to eat, the food of the locals, and that's why we're here. I'm happy we didn't stop by to eat rice. Oh no! This ogunfe. What is amala without ogunfe? Tell me. See. Stomach infrastructure. What? Amala ain't good. Even though they asked this annoying, like down, because I think pay how much, why are you selling plates this amount? That one open and stinking mouth and saying you should bring plates. Like, are you kidding my balls right now? Even though I don't have balls.
plates.
Bring plates from Lagos.
Is that what she said?
I'm telling you, that's what she said. But can I see guys, so on this trip we came to eat and we're waiting for the others, and then we're listening to this radio station, people of God, and I hear a cab was already to Egbani. After several hours of journey again, we finally got to Keila, and guess what? The journey was still far. Hey! Anyway, at long last, we got to the King's Palace, which was also a bit far again to our camp.
Alright, we are finally here, people, after a very long journey, the whole day. We're here now at the Aafin Orongun Ajagula Ifagbamila Okula Orongun. We're here to see the Oba of this land, Oba Professor Adedokun Abolarin, the Orongun of Okeila Orongun. My name is still Telemo, the Golden Voice. Come with us.
Welcome to Freedom of Lobby. Welcome to Okeila
Okay guys, so we finally got to the camp, and as you can see in the background, people are trying to set up their tent already. Well, guess what? We're not sleeping immediately. We are going to be having other activities tonight. Oh my god, my voice don't finish. I beat myself tomorrow. But hey, it was worth the fun. It was worth the screaming and the shouting. I'm still waiting for the person that I bought my tent from, so that I can set up as well. My tent finally came, and I didn't know jack about setting up a tent. Kinsley had to help me set it up. Thank you so much, Kinsley. And I just spread my stuff in it, and I had to sleep like that. It was time for us to play games, though I didn't win, but it was fun. And then time for dancing. I can't dance to save my life. I cannot, so don't expect anything from me. I can only talk to save my life.
Let's go. Do your dance. Mama, please, you are to join Toby. Follow. Come on.
Thank you so much for watching this far. If you are yet to subscribe, please do so, so that you can get notified when I put up the concluding part of this journey. Bye.